National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Will County in northeastern Illinois, Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, northern Newton County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Pewtown, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. The most intense part of the storm is heading toward Beecher. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gary, Portage, Merrillville, Schererville, Hobart, Kankakee, Crown Point, Highland, Munster, Park Forest, Bourbonnais, Bradley, Cedar Lake, Steger, Lowell, Mantino, Pewtown, Moments, Village and Griffith. Including the following interstates: Interstate 57 between mile markers 302 and 336. Indiana Interstate 80 between mile markers 8 and 15. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 17 and 21. Indiana Interstate 94 near mile marker 16. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 233 and 261. This includes Indiana University Northwest, Governors State University, Indiana Motor Speedway, Kankakee Community College, Kankakee County Fairgrounds and Speedway, Lake County Fairgrounds, Olivet Nazarene University, and Will County Fairgrounds. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. for northeastern and east central Illinois and northwestern Indiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. for northeastern and east central Illinois and northwestern Indiana. The severe thunderstorm